Friends, the tap water we get in our homes usually contains lot of dust, solid particles and other impurities. Well, it is high time we had a solution. And just to solve this problem, I have with me WaterScience MIZU UTF 921 Universal Tap Filter. Let's start the review. In the package we get the water tap filter with one cartridge inside. The water tap filter body is made of plastic. The width is 10.8 centimeters and the length is 14 centimeter. Weight is 230 grams. It fits on all 22 and 24 millimeter taps. For this purpose we also get 22 and 24 millimeter adapters inside the package. WaterScience also provides a spanner and a Teflon tape. 2 free cartridges are also given. Please note that this tap filter cannot remove the hardness or reduce the TDS of water. Let's start the fitting. We will first remove the adapter from the tap like this. Let's apply some Teflon tape. Now we will use the adapter provided by WaterScience. Now we will fit the water tap filter. The water tap filter will remove dust, sand and other impurities, giving us clear water. And that's it. We can now use the tap to clean our veggies and other stuff safely. Typical life of the cartridge is 2 to 3 months. Once the cartridge gets dirty, the flow of water will reduce. Then it's time to change the cartridge. Friends, I think buying this universal tap filter is a wise investment for our home. The price of WaterScience MIZU UTF 921 universal tap filter is Rs 975. If you are interested in buying this tap filter, then I will leave a buy link for you in the video description and pinned comment. Thank you for watching my video, and for more such interesting stuff, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.